The next batsman on the crease is Lal Sandhu.
Yeah, let's.
Like I was telling you before, the street and
दोस्तों मैं हूं आपका मनपसंद आरजे मनीष और यहाँ पे जी हाँ सर डोनाल्ड ब्रैडमैन स्टैंड में हम बैठे हुए हैं। जी हाँ, एक चैरिटी इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है और चैरिटी इवेंट करने वाले हमारे मेरे साथ हैं शशि जी फ्रॉम बैटमेट और इनको तो आप ज्यादा जानते हैं, ही इज द आईएमसा। जी हाँ, आईएमसा के प्रेसिडेंट संजय शर्मा जी, हमारे ओएम अरुण वेंकटेश एंड द मैन विद द हैट ऑन,
the man with the $2 coin. This was the coin which was tossed the inaugural match.
Oh, really?
So this is going to be auctioned. Okay.
अच्छा, okay. Sam Murthy.
Mega Man, the one who created our beautiful logo and promotional material.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है।
And Pharma
बस।
Consulting.
तो सबसे पहला प्रश्न, ये चैरिटी इवेंट किस लिए और क्यों? हिंदी इंग्लिश चलेगा?
इंग्लिश भी चलेगा, इंग्लिश तो ये बात करेंगे। क्या हुआ, सांबा वांटेड टू वॉक फ्रॉम एमसीजी टू एससी।
Oh man, that's a good
Yay!
shot.
Let's enjoy the match also. Hey! बीच में डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ मैं। Yeah. So Samba wants it too.
Really good. There's one old gentleman, 72-year-old, 73-year-old.
We know Dr. Prabodh Malhotra. Yeah.
When he walked, the final time, he was there.
Yes.
लड़का लगा के, then he wanted to repeat it. But when he said, I want to do this, मेगरा फाउंडेशन वाले क्या बोले, वो तो 3 बार हो चुका है,
अच्छा।
तुमसे भी बुरा आदमी वॉक कर चुका है, इसलिए they said okay, do something else. And we are from Canberra. We have been here for the past 34-35 years.
बिल्कुल।
We said okay, I mean Samba said let's do something for Canberra,
For Canberra.
for World Cancer Day.
For World Cancer Day. Also, the other reason is, whilst the inspiration came from Dr. Malhotra's work, the other important thing is Megra Foundation has transitioned from breast cancer into all cancer. So
Right.
this is the first time we are generating money for all cancer through Megra Foundation. And of course, ACT Cancer Council, of course, our own.
Because today is the World Cancer
World
Day.
4th of
Before
February
every
is
year.
the World Cancer Day. And every, like how we say third day of Sydney Test is Jane Megra Day.
Yeah.
We wanted to call 4th of February as Canberra's own World Cancer Day.
Very nice. इसका initiative कहाँ से? I know a lot of people have
And also
supported you.
this
Yeah,
would
everybody.
not have- This would not have been, today we won't be standing here without Sanjay Bhai.
Yes.
And
He is a cricket ambassador.
Yeah, cricket ambassador.
Not only from ACT, but Australian.
But honestly,
Yeah, he represents
we
cricket.
won't be standing inside Monaco Oval without Sanjay Bhai and I am.
There is no doubt.
And without
He is the man in the pink,
Yeah.
always. And he is and his wife.
I know.
Jasmine को नहीं बोल सकते.
And also, we can't give Arun and myself, we can't give a $2 coin for the batsman. We have to give something to play.
Yeah.
Bat came from
Yes, Batmate.
Sashi
He is the man who.
Sashi ji.
so running between the batsman.
Megra 11 का मैनेजर ये है, कैनबरा 11 का मैनेजर ये है।
Yeah, okay. Shashi, some.
And the man who tossed the coin and made it happen is Dr. Matthew.
From the
And he was the former
Commonwealth.
ambassador of Netherlands for Australia. And he is a career diplomat, a
Yes.
researcher, scholar, professor.
He is a man behind the Commonwealth Society. Yeah.
But today he was the man who just made one team play. Thank you, fantastic.
Thank you. So yeah, how can people join this charity? If people who are not able to join today because being a work
There is
day.
a donation portal called IAMSA,
Okay.
Canberra.com, and there if you go there, it will guide you to pay $2 or $200 million. It's up to you.
Okay.
So please do that. And we are not shutting the donation portal today. It will be open.
इधर आइए, क्रिकेट का मैच का मजा भी लेते हैं.
So
Yeah.
it will be open for the, because this is the cancer month.
Okay.
So we will extend it for the duration of the cancer month.
Okay.
And people can help us and support the money raised
Yeah, we'll go.
will be donated to
equally donated.
equally shared between Megra Foundation and ACT Cancer Council.
Right. So, are you planning to have more such events to raise, or this is an inaugural one?
Indeed, as we said, it's the 4th of February is the World Cancer Day. We hope we have started small. We hope to grow this as an annual event for Canberra, where research organizations, schools, community leaders, charities, sports all come on one day.
Yep.
Where we don't need to advertise it because everybody should remember 4th is the World Cancer Day.
Absolutely. Very good, noble cause, and as a good initiative by, I think they are your women, your ladies behind the scenes. Yeah, we will meet them. Thank you, Sanjay bhai. Thank you, Megha ji. That was lovely meeting you, and we have got a representative from ACT Cricket. Cricket ACT say, yeah. You want to say something about this event or in general?
It's fine. It's a great event by AMSA and some who's organizing it. Yeah, but we're closely looking at this one. Yeah.
And I would like to inform our community who are watching and in Canberra, come down to Manuka Oval on 19th of February. India versus Australia. Women's cricket T20 match is happening right here, right now. The world champions are India. We'll see them. Thank you. Lage rahiye. And you want to?
This is the force behind everything.
Yes, has to be.
One good thing is she can speak Hindi, not me.
I can't speak much Hindi.
Okay, बोलिए.
आप बताइए इस इवेंट के बारे में और सांबा जी के बारे में ये क्या है? और
No, Arun and Samba worked very hard for this. Given it's a very short period of time, they have pulled out a fantastic event. And
Yeah.
thank you to all the supporters who are here supporting the cause, the worthy cause. We are very happy that the inaugural event
has come out.
started off in a very nice way.
Yes.
And even the players have volunteered, and it's very nice atmosphere over here.
You know, next year we might give
The brooch.
something freshly minted brooch.
Yes.
It's a fundraising thing.
Yes, and I would like to tell my listeners and followers, he's the man behind minting mint.
No, I used to. Not
Used
now.
to, not. But both of them, actually.
Both are minties here. Minties.
They are called the minties. चलिए बढ़िया. Good to see you. Sorry. Lovely, nice meeting you. अच्छा लगा आप सबसे मिलके.
अभी लगे रहो तड़का लगा के.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. ये जी हाँ.
लगे रहो तड़का लगा के.
लगे रहो तड़का लगा के.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye. ये आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है? Where are the commentators? They're sitting over there.
Players, yeah. Masood. The dugout.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Hey! 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 Where are the commentators? Sitting over there. Let's find it out. बहुत आवाज आ रही है. We'll do the live show. Let's meet the team. This is ACT 11 or what? आप लोग को McGraw 11. They are the lovely commentators.
Hello. Yeah, you look like
Our broadcasters are now commentators.
look like
Santosh and Mohan. And the
And they score.
That's a
Of course.
juicy ball from the border, but again couldn't connect.
What's
That's
the
edge of
score?
9
101.
The score
101.
is
How many wickets down?
Now I'm started to
Five
counting from
down.
120 on the board, but the last over of the game.
How many overs? I think it's a T10.
9 over gone.
9 over gone. So one more over to go.
Just one over to go in this first innings of the match between Megra 11 versus ACT 11 for the World Cancer Day. Proudly brought to you by the Cancer Council of the ACT, Megra Foundation, and IAMSA, putting in a team for the Megra 11. A special thanks to Mr. Sambamurthy and Mr. Arun Venkatesh for putting this great event of a day together.
And Sanjay Sharma from IAMS.
Sanjay Sharma from IAMSA for also
You
getting
can
the players on the ground.
Who is the better?
you can go to the website IAMSA and Oi! 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 Who is the captain? Nidhan bhai, up? Oh, he's the captain. कैसा लग रहा है? How, Nidhan bhai?
That is the man.
You are the double century scorer of.
Thank you for that. Yeah, it's the game is going good.
Salma is here with the Indiana Jones hat.
This is Ford is giving me $1 million.
But not connecting
Very
well
good.
enough.
चलिए लगे रही. All the best. It's a good score. Yeah.
The score goes to 105 for the loss of 5 wickets. And a few retired hurts, giving chance to every other player in McGraw 11 to hold the bat. But just reaches mid off. And the last batsman, I hope, with 100 on his shirt, goes down to the crease for the last 3 balls of this first innings. Ash.
How much did the batsman score?
The way Harry comes out after his
How much did he score?
boundaries, getting the dugout to
Yeah.
the road. Couple of balls back.
How much?
5 runs.
5 runs. Well played, mate. Well done. Harry.
Ash just straight down.
Oh.
Getting a single and well, this time around, batsman thinks he got it, but actually just drops off his pads. It's a dot ball, a very crucial dot ball. This could be the last ball of the end over the last ball of the first innings. We were expecting a score of 120 from the first innings. I think the bowling team have done a great job in the last couple of overs to keep it down, not give a lot of boundaries. Batsman comes off that. Not able to connect.
Oh.
Just the single.
Who is got that one? Abhi?
End of the 10th over, end of the first innings.
Okay, who is got that one?
The last single by Abhi 2.
107.
And that puts the score to 107 runs. Meghalaya finishing their innings with 107 with the loss of 5 wickets. Was really good batting. Now the ACT 11 needs to score 108 runs to win this match. We'll be
108.
back in some time for the second innings. Please stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.
That's good. Santosh and Mohan, lage raho.
Yeah, bro.
Well done, boys. Well done. Well done. Lage raho. Well played. And umpires, can I speak a little bit? Johan, how are you feeling? It's a charity event. What do you have to say about it? Johan has been a very legendary umpire,
Well,
accredited one. He's
it's good to be coming back from retirement to help out with a charity event like this, right? So I never thought I'll, return, but it's good to be here. Feels like home, and it's all for a good cause.
well said. Lage raho. Keep it going. And we've got a second umpire, Ankit Bhai. How are you? Good to see you in a different role. You have been a broadcaster, you have been everywhere, and now, did you enjoy it? You have been doing umpiring for long?
Probably my 10th, 15th match.
Oh, okay.
So second one is going to come.
Oh, really? Okay. So you have to go through a course. How do you become an umpire?
You have to get the training done, get accreditation done from either your state or territory organization.
Okay.
And you'll get a certificate from the administrator.
Right. Would you like everybody else who is watching to be an umpire or
Of
something?
course, I mean, if you're passionate about it, just give it a shot. You'll enjoy it.
Very nice. Why not? Very good. Thanks for the advice.
Pleasure.
And did you enjoy the charity? It's a charity event.
It's great that we're doing it
It's
for
good to-
charity. It's always
Good to support the-
have something purposeful going on, and that's always something that I'd be happy to be a part of.
All the best. लगे रहो.
Thanks, Manish.
Take care. Commentators, how did you go?
This is good. We've never actually seen Manuka Oval in this kind of light. There's absolutely no crowd, and it's like totally for us. That's nice.
107. Target is 108.
We get a listed car, players listed.
Oh, thank you.